The headquarters of YPF stands tall over the Buenos Aires skyline, and the company is also standing tall in the energy sector. Argentina's national oil and gas producer recently posted 2014's results, showing growth in production, reserves, investment and income.
There's no magic formula to having those results. After the nationalization, the government of Argentina decided that YPF was going to be run professionally, and therefore create a company that have a hybrid between the public sector and the private sector.
Miguel Galucho has been YPF president since 2012. He says it is this hybrid with government control of prices that has led to YPF's successful performance despite the global freefall in oil prices.
When the price was 110, we were getting here 84, but now the price 50, we are getting here 74. So we have somehow a protection or a bridge to pass this.
Galucho took over the YPF that had been nationalized by Cristina Fernández de Kirchner's government. Argentina took Spanish company Repsol's controlling stake.
Nationalization brought a lot of stress to how the companies perceive abroad, but I don't think that the perception is there any longer. I believe YPF today probably is one of the best companies in Latin America in the oil and gas sector by their results, not by their brand. In 2011, YPF drilled one gas well. We were investing around between $2 and $2.5 billion. Today we closed 2014 with $6 billion of investment. We moved from 20 rigs to 75 rigs. We grow production of gas around 32% and production of oil between 6 and 7%. So we have managed to shift a company that was shrinking to a company that today is very keen to grow and is growing.
The jewel in the YPF crown is Vaca Muerta in the country's south. It's considered to be amongst the largest and best quality shale oil and shale gas deposits in the world. YPF is looking for foreign investment. The first major contract was signed with Chevron, and YPF also recently signed an agreement with Chinese producer Sinopec.
The capital that is required to develop Vaca Muerta is huge, and therefore YPF is very keen of partnering with others in order to develop that full potential. Having the presence of a Chinese company of the size of Sinopec or PetroChina is key for the country. We look at that partnership very seriously within YPF. And of course, the signature of the MOU with Sinopec is a very important milestone.
This is obviously such a massive resource for the country, and the potential is huge. But perhaps what people on the street want to know is, when will Argentina start to really see the benefits of Vaca Muerta and the investment that's starting to come into Argentina?
I think people have seen the benefit already. We have tripled the level of investment, and that have created immediate effect on the economy.
Galucho highlights the creation of jobs, boom towns in oil-producing provinces, and also a reliable provision of gasoline for consumers as the benefits.
I think we are in a much better situation as a country from the energy point of view than we were 2.5 years ago. We have a lot to do, yes, we have a long way to go. Until we don't achieve self-sufficiency, these tasks have not finished. But I think we are in the right path, and I think the country is already seeing the benefit.
Joel Richards, CCTV, Buenos Aires.